on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in. I'm in a mine right now. As you see, I'm going down. Go out here and patch some holes, fix a few things on some equipment. It's a cool little job. Off grid, you know. You come out here, you got to make sure you got everything you need. I bring everything. If you need a little bucket to use the bathroom, whatever you need to have it out here while you out here, because I don't like to leave, you know what I mean? Because you like out here, so I try to get everything I need to help me knock the job out. That way I ain't got to leave. You know, I can at least do 8 to 10 hours out here, and then I shoot out. But normally I bring everything, because you out here, like in the middle of nowhere. And you know, the old saying is stay ready, so I just try to stay prepared. So, because you never know what you're going to run into out here. As far as the repairs go, so I try to have a variety of different little tools with me, because it's always different out here. Literally, it's always different. So, but it's cool though. So I'm just out here getting the bag this morning, man. I want to wish everybody a good day, a good week. I know it's almost family time for everybody, so enjoy your family, be safe, travel safe. I know it's real out here on these highways, so enjoy your family, man. Have lots of fun, and remember to get back to the bag and try to build some things to break some chains, man, because we don't always want to be out here physically doing it, but we know that if we stay focused, we can allow our money to make money for us. That way we're not working for our money, because that's the number one thing, or the first rule, the number one rule that the rich do not do. They don't physically work for their money. They allow their money to work for them. So that way they can make investments and use their credit to make money and use debt to make money. So just keep that in mind, man, when you out for your day. About to get my hog on. See, I'm hitting a little bright spot. So it's bright for y'all, but it's bright for me. But easy money out here. Out here in the middle of nowhere, but it's easy money. Y'all be safe. Enjoy your day. All gone. Find out where I'm starting at today.